you, Cort, for another one. I love this little guy. This is incredible, actually, how much stuff you can do. Like, this is an electronic like pedal board inside your travel guitar, which has the amazing size for you to bring along to your journey, right? If you're traveling, if you're having fun, or if you're just going for a gig. I normally go cycling to my gigs, and this is so easy to carry. I did a lot of weddings using a small size guitar like this, and you can plug in and enjoy, have fun. This is amazing. Thank you, Cort. This is brilliant. Thank you so much.